Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to control documents. Now, by controlling documents, we're basically talking about editing and revising the documents in NovaCore. Any document that has been imported will have been brought into one of your frameworks, whether it be the DMS or any other regulatory framework we have installed. For this example, like most of the other examples, we'll be going into the SRTO 2015 framework. Under the Manage tab, you want to click on either View Framework to have a look at your traffic light system, because you can access your documents from there, or you can click on any of the classifications, policies, procedures, forms, manuals, others, or all. These are the repositories for your framework documents, and every regulatory framework you have installed has its own repository of documents. We're going to click on Policies for this example. Here it has a list of all of our policies that we have imported into the system. Now, there is a rule in NovaCore. If you want to know what can be done to a document, simply right-click on it. Now, depending on what the status is of that document and also the permissions you have, what can be done to that document may differ from each document to the next. So if we right-click, for instance, on this access and equity policy, the top one is View, which means we can click that and view the document. We then have Copy. Now, if we just click Copy itself, it actually allows us to take a copy of the document, like a shortcut, and place it into another framework such as the DMS. We can print the document, print controlled. The difference between the two is print will print the document as a uncontrolled document, meaning it will be watermarked across every page as uncontrolled. Print controlled will allow you to print the document normally, so there will be no watermark and you can print the document ready for distribution. Revise allows us to revise the document as a new revision. Export allows us to export as original and export as PDF. If you are running the offline version of NovaCore, you may also have the option Send via Outlook, where you can send as an attachment, as the original format, or PDF. Please note that the NovaCloud version does not have the Send via Outlook option. You can then subscribe an address. This is a great feature which allows you to subscribe users and email addresses to a particular document so they know that that document has had changes made to it. You can convert a document to a template, meaning you can make multiple copies of that document and apply them to brand new documents, or you can delete the document itself if you wanted to. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is Edit not available but Revise is? That's because the status of the document is approved. So what that means is that document is approved and cannot be edited. It is complete. So in order for us to edit the document, we simply right-click on the document and choose Revise. If we go to another document, such as this imported document here with the status as newly imported, we can right-click and Edit will be available. Revise is not an option because the document is not approved and it's still in draft form. Any document that has the red circular arrow also will have to be revised. It cannot be edited because it is technically an approved document that has simply passed its review date. So therefore, a new revision of the document must be created. If you do right-click on a document that is approved and click Revise, you will get a Revised Document pop-up box. This Revised Document pop-up box will give you the document name, allow you to choose the revision, whether it be major or minor. Major will move up by a whole number, minor by a decimal point. It'll allow you to choose who you would like to approve the document. Only those with approval permissions will appear in the list. And you'll also be able to add revision notes as to why you're revising the document. One of the great features is the external file feature. You can click a blue folder here that'll allow you to choose an external folder outside of NovaCore. You can then add that as the new revision and it will archive the old version automatically. If you are in the cloud, you could also click that blue folder, but then simply drag and drop the new file from your local computer to the cloud environment to replace it with an external file. Only when you revise a document will you get this pop-up box if you right-click and choose a document that can be edited. The document itself will simply open up using the Microsoft Office suite that you have installed on your computer or that is in the cloud. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems, for more helpful tutorial videos.